Good morning, children. In our earlier class, we had discussed about finding zeros of the cubic polynomial and the relation between zeros of the cubic polynomial and their coefficients. Today, we are going to learn about finding zeros of the biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial doesn't mean that fourth degree polynomial. Whenever fourth degree polynomial, it has at most 4 zeros. At most 4 zeros. So children, here one thing you must observe that whenever fourth degree polynomial is given, there at least 2 zeros will be given and another 2 zeros only we need to find here. Are you clear? Are you clear, children? Now, this is the most important task which we are going to learn today. That is, by the help of given 2 zeros, we are going to find another 2 zeros of the biquadratic polynomial. Clear? Now, let me explain one problem. That is, example 9, the most important question it is. I'll read the question now, children. Find all the zeros of 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know the two of its zeros, root 2 and minus root 2. So, what is the given polynomial here? First one, p of x. P of x is equal to, what is this polynomial? 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is the given biquadratic polynomial. And what are the given 2 zeros? Given 2 zeros. What are the given 2 zeros? Root 2 and minus root 2. Root 2 and minus root 2. Clear? Now, here whenever root 2 is the zero of the polynomial, then here x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are factors. Clear, children? Whenever 3 is the 0, if 3 is the 0, then x minus 3 is the factor of p of x. If a is the 0, then x minus a is the factor of this, as per remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Clear? Now x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are these are the two factors. Now find product. X minus root 2 into x plus root 2. That implies a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square. A square minus b square, a square minus root 2 whole square. That implies x square minus 2. This is that. Okay. Now we have to divide this p of x by x minus 2, x square minus 2. Now divide p of x by x square minus 2. That implies x square minus 2, that is 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now we are going to division. Clear, children? Now what is the first term of this dividend? 2x to the power of 4. Here x square. With what number shall we multiply to get to x to the power of 4? 2x square. 2x square. 2x square into x square. 2x to the power of 4. Plus into minus. Minus. 2x square into 2. Minus 4x square. 2x square into 2x. Okay. Clear? Now change this symbol. Minus plus. Children, here x square term, this is x cube term. There is no connectivity. So here minus 3x cube. Here x square term is there na. Just if you write this in bit, here minus 4x square. Clear? Now minus 3x square plus 4x square means plus x square. Clear? Next. What is the term? First term here minus 3x cube. So minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube minus 3x into 2 minus 6x. Clear children? Now here plus plus. Here x square term, this is x term. We should not add those two. Now let us carry this x square to down, and this is plus 6x, and here it is minus 2. Otherwise, don't carry this. Now x square. What is the term here? Plus 1 plus one thing children, here plus x square, this is plus 6x, here minus 3x into 2 minus 6x, minus into minus plus, so it will become minus, therefore this is minus 6x, and here one more term plus 6x, and this plus 6x minus 6x will become cancelled. Finally x square minus 2, we got it. Okay, now 1 into x square, 1 into 2 minus 2, finally 0. Clear children? Now we have divided the polynomial p of x, 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x plus 6x minus 2 by the help of this. Is it clear? Now we got here one quadratic polynomial, 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Is it clear children? Now already we know the two zeros, that is plus root 2 and minus root 2. If we find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial by using splitting the middle term, we can get the remaining other two zeros. Clear? Now I am going to finding this here. Here only I will find this 2x square minus 3x minus 1, that implies 2x square 1 2 is 2, plus 1, sorry. So minus 2x minus x plus 1, that implies take 2x common, x minus 1, here take minus 1 common, x minus 1, that implies 2x minus 1 factor and x minus 1 factor, that implies 1 by 2 and 1. Therefore the other two zeros are 1 by 2 and 1. Is it clear children? Let me explain once again. One biquadratic polynomial will be given and two zeros also will be given. Whenever root 2 and minus root 2 are two zeros, then x plus root x minus root 2 and x plus root 2 are the factors. Now find the product of these two, we will get one polynomial, that is x square minus 2. By this polynomial x square minus 2, we should divide this given polynomial p of x to get one quadratic polynomial. See, if we divide by division, we got this 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now finally 2x square minus 3x plus 1, 2x, if we factorize this, we will get two zeros. Therefore 1 by 2 and 1 are the other two zeros. Clear? Therefore finally what are the four zeros? Therefore required four zeros. Required zeros, root 2, comma minus root 2, comma 1 by 2 and 1. These are the four zeros. Clear children? This is the most important task. By this, by the help of this explanation, you need to complete exercise 2.3. Is it clear? This is your assignment. Every children has to complete exercise 2.3. Clear? Thank you.